Welcome back to Crochet and Fiber. My name is Sig, and I am thrilled to have you with us here today. If you've been with us before, welcome back. Love to see you again. If this is your first time, I hope you enjoy this episode of Yarn Talk. Now, normally I would add a little something extra to the Yarn Talk, but this week I'm a little busy. I'm running behind schedule on some things. So for this May episode of Yarn Talk, I'm simply going to explore with you some mystery summer yarn and some eco yarn that I have recently received. And I'm excited to get right into it. So if you want to see some really yummy, luscious yarn, come with me and we'll talk. So it's May. It's time for yarn. Always yarn. Love receiving new yarn. So this month I have 2 boxes of yarn, or rather yarn from 2 different companies. Now the first company I'm going to show you is from Melissa's Yarn Barn. We've received her before. Because the price was really relatively good, I went ahead and purchased several of her boxes that I will be showing through the course of the year. And so this one is no different. This is her summer box, and they didn't really come in boxes. They came in a bag, and each month came in its own little cellophane bag. So I think I've mentioned it before, and I'll mention it again. Everything was laid in order. So now I'm at the point where I'm going to pick the summer box. And so I'm going to do that right now. I'm going to pull it right out of this package. Okay, so it's come in the cellophane. This is kind of the box. It's the summer box. Before we move on, I'm going to take the cellophane off. Okay, so I'm looking at the packing slip right now, and what she says is that, yay, summer. Temps are warming up in Iowa slowly this year. So she's located in Iowa, if you didn't already figure that out. And the scents, sounds, and colors are having a huge influence on the dye pots. Grab a seasonal mystery box and kick back in the patio with colorways such as bird songs, hummingbird, hibiscus, and marigold. No 2 packages are the same. So this basically came out to $32 plus shipping. And since I purchased all the boxes together, the shipping was greatly reduced. So the yarn she's given us today is the hummingbird colorway. It is a 75% superwash merino and a 25% nylon blend. And this is what she gave us. Isn't that beautiful? That is so nice. Those are beautiful colors for summer. And then, of course, she typically includes stitch markers in her. And this time around, the stitch markers are grapes and a chocolate dipped strawberry. So again, cute stitch markers, more stitch markers for the collection. Boy, always a stitch marker for the collection. I love them, but I don't need them, but I love them. Okay, so that is a beautiful, beautiful yarn, and I'm really pleased to have it. I think I said it was 100 grams. Yeah. Move on to a new yarn. This is a new company for me, and I tried one of their mystery boxes this time around, and I believe it was like a Mother's Day kind of gift box, and I figured I'd try this mystery box, well, because it's May, right? And I was kind of interested because this indie dyer, she dyes her yarn with natural plants. So natural dyes. And that's something I've wanted to get a little more into. And I've already gotten some things that are dyed with more natural dyes, but we're trying to explore and give different companies kind of a shot to see what I think of them in terms of that sort of dye and the colorways and so on and so forth. So what she tells me is, let me look at the write-up here. Okay, let's just begin by saying this is Eco Yarn Studio. The material is primarily wool. You're going to get 411 yards. She's telling us that it's a sport weight. or she. I think it's a she. It could be a he. I don't know, but let's not hold me to that too much. So this is what they say. Introducing our yarn gift box, specially curated for mom's crafting delight. Embrace the joy of creating with our thoughtfully assembled collection of naturally dyed wool yarn. So this is what they tell us we get. We get 520 yards of plant dyed yarn. Mom gift box includes one big sport DK weight wool skein, 137 yards or 50 grams. You get to choose between a white, a beige, or a multicolored. Can be any color of your choice. Now, I don't remember what I chose or if I even had a choice at this point, because I do remember that that I pretty much bought the last box. So I'm guessing I didn't have a choice. I just got whatever they had available. Also, I'm going to get 7 mini skeins. And each of these skeins is going to be 54.8 yards, approximately 20 grams each. Colors are randomly selected and complement each other. I'm also going to get one mini gift, a yarn accessory. The total yardage is going to be 520.6 yards. They say skeins are variegated with a mix of solids and semi-solid colors, are inspired by beautiful nature of North America. So she goes on and she tells us a little bit more about her yarn, which I think is interesting, and you might find it interesting as well. She says, ethically grown and sourced high-quality Peruvian wool yarn that is naturally dyed with plants is the perfect choice for people who love earth and value natural fibers. All of my plant-dyed yarns are naturally, botanically, hand-dyed in a smoke-free environment in my small studio in, let's see if I can say this without butchering the name, Mississauga, Ontario? Mississauga? No, correct me. I'm sure I'm wrong. She uses plants from her garden and the nearby forest and organic plants and pigments from local suppliers. So I kind of get excited over that. I'm really interested in seeing what we've got. The purpose. This yarn can be used for knitting, crocheting, weaving, embroidery, macrame, and other craft projects, of course. It is also a good choice for felting. So this isn't going to be a super wash. This is going to be pretty much a near a rustic wool, I'm going to say. Oh, yeah, see, for felting, as it is completely natural and has not experienced bleaching. This mystery yarn is a perfect choice for healthy baby knitwear, baby blankets, next to skin garments, because this yarn did not overcome any excessive chemical processing. So that's really cool. I'm going to have to pretty much set this yarn aside and use it for something very specific, because I don't know that I have another yarn at this time that will complement it, at least maybe in color, but not in the process in which it was turned into yarn, in which it was processed. So this is my box. It got a little beat up in the mail. It came in a little plastic bag, so I took off the plastic bag, but this is kind of what I got. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to open it right now. And let's see what we've got. And colors are already quite nice. They're quite subtle. I think that's what I really like about these natural plant dyed yarns is, you know, maybe the color fastness isn't as great as one would like them to be, but the subtle muted colorways are just, I really enjoy those. So let's open up our little gift first. Oh wow, okay. So let me see. I got a whole bunch. Well, maybe not a whole bunch, but all right. I got several stitch markers. They're the little light bulb stitch markers, and I'm trying to straighten them out right now. So she gave me 4 of them, and let me see if I can. Okay, so these first 2, a little crown and a little moon. So those are nice. Yeah. And then the next one is going to be another type of crown and a flower. So just plain, simple, but pretty little stitch markers. Okay, let's see what we've got for yarn. So I've got 7 mini skeins and 1 main skein. So each of the mini skeins, I believe she said, are going to be 20 grams, giving me a total of 140 grams. So I'm just going to bring them up one at a time. So I have 2 of them together right here. And I've got this beautiful cream and muted orange along with this other orangey color that's pretty much the same orange. And these are definitely giving off creamsicle vibes. I mean, you couldn't get any more creamsicle than these two. That's very nice. Now, the only thing that I wish she did was tell me what plant she used to dye these with. I don't see that on this little tag. Then the next one, I've got 5 of them tied together, so it's 100 yards total. Again, this one just says naturally hand dyed. Doesn't tell me what they were dyed with, which is too bad, but they are beautiful. So again, I'm going to have this blue and cream and the same color blue and a solid color, so that's really nice. I have it again in this yellow colorway. I got the variegated yellow with a solid yellow, same color yellow, so I'm pleased with that. And then I have this sort of soft green color. It's kind of a little bit of a light mossy green color. And that's really pretty because I feel like I never get enough green, like variation of green, if I'm going to do any kind of embroidery work or any little bits of work where I need green. So I'm good with that. And then the next one, again, is going to be my large skein, and that's my 50 grams. It's going to be 137 yards. This one is merino wool. So yeah, just by looking at these, they're a little different. So these ones are Peruvian wool, yeah. And this one just simply tells me it's wool. And this one tells me it's 100% merino wool. So we get a little bit of a variety going on. And then of course this one is kind of that same variegated tone, except I have kind of this beigey on cream color. Again, which is nice. It's 50 grams. I could pair it up with something lovely and maybe get some hand warmers or something out of this. And the colors are beautiful and muted. And yeah, I'm not unhappy with that at all. I do think I forgot to tell you what the cost of this was, so give me just a moment. Okay, so I thought this one was maybe a touch high, not so expensive. I thought it was going to break the budget, but maybe more money than I normally might have spent, except that it was plant-based dye that I was really interested in getting. So basically, all of this yarn that I got here, we're looking at about $60 plus shipping. Oh, and in this case, I got the shipping for free. I got a little bit of a discount, so that pretty much covered my shipping costs. So a total of $60. A little on the high side, however, the yarn is beautiful, it's unique, and it'll certainly do up something beautiful. Okay, so I think that's it for today's video. I want to thank you for joining me. It's been fun. It's my pleasure always, and I really hope to see you next time around. Have a wonderful week. Bye-bye now.